You can see this is my Google Analytics board. Now I want to connect with my WordPress WordPress account. First, how you can create a Google Analytics? Just search for Google Analytics. Here you can see this is my Google Analytics. I will just sign into it. Here I'm signed in. Now I can connect my website. For that, what you need to do, if you have already created your account, it will log in. Otherwise, you need to create account and you need to add the website to your. When you create account and add website, this window will open. Property name, this is the what you want to connect with your Google Analytics. I want to connect my WordPress account with Google Analytics. This is my account. I want to connect this. For that, here create property. I will name it as a test. I will select India. Create next and select the industry whichever you are into. Whatever you want, select this detail. Now, what you want to do with Google Analytics, generate lead, drive sales, whatever you can select as per your need. Now, what we want to connect with Google Analytics, our website. So click on it. You need to paste your website URL. I will remove this and this website name. You can name. Now create and connect. Just name it. Now it will open. This is my. Click on it here. Now we need to set up a Google tag. Now you get the Google tag. So that's how very easily you can install with WordPress or install manually. I want to install manually. You can also directly install with WordPress. I will click on install manually. Now I get it. Now I get the code. Now here you can see you need to paste it in each page. So we don't need to paste it in each page. We can simply add in header and header is available in each page. Automatically it will be added in each page. That's why you can get Google Analytic code very easily. Now we will see how we can add it in your WordPress site. So go to your site here, just log in into it. I will log in. In header, there are two methods. You can install a plugin or you can directly add in here. I go on appearances, click on theme file editor. Here we will edit the code. Which code? We will edit header. Here you can see header.php. Click on it. Whichever theme you are working on, select your by default theme that is active. Currently, I am working on Astra theme. That way it is. I'm selecting this. Now scroll down where you need to add it. Find the head tag. Inside the head tag, you need to. This is my head tag. Inside it, I need to add it. I will type here. Just paste it. And now what you need to do? Just update. After updating, you can see it will update the file. It is added in. It is connected with your Google Analytics. You can select here. Test installation. I will click on it. It is testing. Here you can see your Google was correctly detected. Now my website is connected. I can confirm it and all the now my Google Analytics is connected with my WordPress site. So that's how very easily you can connect your Google Analytics with your website. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.